Hi everybody! For our ancient Egyptian unit study, we made some date balls using a recipe we got in this book called Cooking in World Cultures, Food and Cooking in Ancient Egypt by Clive Gifford, and we picked this up from rainbowresource.com, and I will have the link in the description box below. So this recipe is very simple, it's super delicious, and it's vegan. So we're going to start out with some dates. You just want to make sure you get the pits out, and these are very moist dates, but if they weren't, then you just need to add a little bit of water to this recipe. So I used about 6 dates and about a quarter cup of walnuts and some cinnamon. Now we cut the recipe down in half, but I'll have the complete recipe for you on my blog at pepperandpine.com. So you want to make sure this is well blended, and it took about 30 seconds to a minute to do it. And then in a separate dish, you just want to put some sliced almonds, and I'm just going to crush these up with my fingers just so that it's easier for them to coat the date balls. Okay, so next we want to form our date balls. Now I'm using a melon baller, but it turned out to not be the best tool. The date paste kind of stuck inside, and I think just a teaspoon would have worked better. So I'm just going to shape them into balls. My fingers got really sticky, but that's okay. In the meantime, I had the honey on the stove in a pan that has some water. I didn't want the honey directly on the heat, and it just kind of thinned it out enough so that I could put the date balls in the honey. I coated them really well, and then I could put them into the almonds, and then put the almonds all over the date balls. It was so delicious. This part got a little bit messy, and the date balls are kind of mushy, and so they can get deformed pretty easily. Okay, so we made about 6 to 8 of them, and they were gone so fast. I'm going to have to make more of these really soon. Okay, if you want to catch up on some of the other recipes we made for our ancient Egyptian unit study, you can click here. We made chicken, some cabbage wraps, and a dip. It was really delicious. And for the complete recipes and more pictures, you can check them out at my website at pepperandpine.com. Thanks for watching.